Here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Let's go over to the general crypto market to start with. We can see Bitcoin is doing pretty good here. It's up 1.62%, just under the $27,000 price point, 26,800. Ethereum at 1,736. BNB is seeing a little bit of a pullback. It's down 0.33%. Ideally, we would be seeing that moving in conjunction with the other main cryptocurrencies, but there has been some controversy recently with what's been going on with CZ and with Binance, specifically with Binance US, and hopefully we'll see some momentum going on there. I'm a fan of BNB personally. We see XRP is up 0.97%, Dogecoin up 0.55%, Litecoin up 0.22%, Solana is up 4.04%, above $16, AVAX up 0.95%, and then we see little sprinkles here and there of some other bits that are red, such as Chainlink, it's down 0.64%. So overall, the main cryptocurrencies seem to be doing pretty good today. And then moving over to the Bitcoin trading charts, we see that this candle for June 19th, closing out in the day on the green. In fact, what did it do? It tapped. Look at that right there. Look at that top wick bouncing off of the 50 moving average. What have I been saying in my previous videos, guys, is that keeping things simple right now seems to be playing out quite well in being able to identify things. And so what we have here is the 50 moving average, the top green line. It's still on a descension. And then we have that yellow line, the 200 moving average is still ascending. And the bad news is, though, that if these converge together, that crossover forms what's called a death cross, which would suggest that we have an extensive period of time being a bear market. So what we realistically would need right now to try and combat that is for a very strong price rally, and in which by doing so, that should hopefully get us to get that green line to start climbing in time before they converge, to then be able to avoid that yellow line down on the bottom. So we saw rejection take place here for that day. It is showing a little bit of signs of a pullback on the new day, but having closed out above this channel zone I was talking about around the $26,700 price point, that level right there does suggest that with one day we're starting to form a trend pattern, hopefully establishing us in a little bit of a higher zone, and the next major zone being 27,500. But right now I'd really keep an eye on trying to cross over this $27,044 mark. Not only is crossing above $27,000 going to be good psychologically, but just passing above the 50 moving average is going to be quite bullish. And then there might be some rejection here around 27,500. But if we break above that, then I think we're looking really good. And the next major zone I personally would be looking at is at the $30,000 price point. Matches up for a variety of reasons there. So support, we have that around 26,700. Let's see how things continue to play out. Ideally, we have at least two instances for a trend pattern. That pullback so far in the day may make this a little bit difficult, but literally the day just got started on the new candle. Moving over to the SafeMoon SWAP partners. SafeMoon is down 3.08%. You have a red candle that formed, and we have $100,000 in total volume. It's $35,000 in buy volume versus $64,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon on Polygon is down 0.84%, $62 in buy volume, $19,000 in sell volume. Then SafeMoon with Ethereum side is up 0.21%. You have $32 in buy volume, 2 transactions total, no selling. Evergrow coin, we see it's down 0.24%, $61 in buy volume, $143 in sell volume. Then BBTF, Blockbuster Tech, is up 0.72%. You have $1,500 in buy volume, $1,100 in sell volume. Beefy is, it's one transaction. It was a buy. It was for $172. BNB Mirror Protocol, this one's taken quite a bit of a hit. It's down 7.19%. And it's $92 in buy volume, $2,200 in sell volume. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol is down 3.88%. $4,400 total volume. You had $1,500 on buy side, but $2,900 on the sell side. Croge, this one not having any trading activity since June 6th. Crift, Crift has pretty low liquidity as well. This one has no trading on June 19th. There was a sell on June 18th, though. Glow token is down barely. It's one transaction. It was a $15 sell. Grove token having 4 days of run-up. You got here 0.96% increase, $2,700 in buy volume, $2,300 in sell volume. HOD is up 6.31%, $1,100 in buy volume versus $1,700 in sell volume. Live crypto party, no trading since June 16th. Potherium, no trading since June 8th. And then we have here for Revoltants, it's up 0.43%, $5 in buy volume, $2 in sell volume. Pepe is one transaction. It's $1,700 of value. That was a sell. JP token, we don't have any trading since June 17th. And there you go. There's the latest price moves for you. I do have a separate video for the day if you want to check that out, talking about community feedback notes on SafeMoon and what they could be changing, adding to over on their website, as they recently did revamp that. And I also have my own thoughts on what I think that they could add to that homepage, especially. And I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are on that. So besides that, I have another video that I did yesterday where a lot of people are starting to talk about this hyped up meme coin that's going to be launching. It's being reported on June 29th, and that is coming from the team at EverEarn. So they're launching a separate meme token. Their team is already KYC'd. I talk a little bit about it. I don't have all the details on this. It's a secret-based meme launch, but a lot of influencers are hyping it up. People are getting excited. The whitelist spots are running out for this private sale before it goes public. If you want to learn more about that, you can check out my video from yesterday. There's the video talking about what's the next Pepe, right? So people are looking for projects right now, new projects that are getting ready to launch. This one seems, in my opinion, like it could be a really good play. I am hoping that it does, because I did end up putting my own money into this as well. But we'll see. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. I hope you have a great day. And also thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members as well. And I guess speaking about the meme project, I have the opportunity to get people with some whitelists, but I had a lot of people that were asking me about this yesterday and even earlier today. So I don't know how many spots are actually left yet. If you want to be in on that, then go ahead and send me a DM over on my Twitter or send me an email through my business email address. I don't know if they have any spots left at this point. So that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.